today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is what we've been waiting for. Everything is changing for Bitcoin right now. What am I talking about? Well, let me show you in the charts, because this is what I've been talking about for the last few days, the Wyckoff accumulation schematic. And you can see here in the charts, the price is perfectly, so far, perfectly following this trajectory. So the question is, what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term? Well, let's talk about that. As you remember, like 1.5 months ago or so, when Bitcoin was at 55 to 58,000 US dollars, I was talking about a potential scenario, my worst case scenario of Bitcoin breaking down to 30,000 and fulfilling the bearish Wyckoff accumulation pattern, which is this one. We perfectly checked markets, we perfectly fulfilled it. Phase E is completed. However, we are already in potential reversal mode. So now, according to this pattern, we would have to reach 50 to 60,000 US dollars in a few weeks. The question is this going to happen? Well, this is what I want to talk about. So we will go into the charts right now, and I want to talk about my price targets, my predictions, and everything I'm expecting for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. One more thing, guys. I wanted to ask you to smash up the like button for that video. Just make noise for the algorithm, smash it towards a new all-time high. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And I will actually fly out to Mykonos today. So my flight is going very soon. I want to push that out, and I will try to come to you with another second update of today. So all you have to do is go down below, press subscribe and press the bell to get notified when I'm releasing the next video. Now let's talk about what's happening for Bitcoin. And as you can see, we were here perfectly so far completing phase B and phase A. And if you look at the pattern here, you can see phase A, phase B is completed, and in phase C we should have a big dump towards the downside, lower than the low in phase B, and have this spring and then zigzag towards the upside throughout the next few days and weeks. And well, as you can see, in phase C we wicked down, and we got this wick below the previous low here. If we were to zoom in, you can see even we went below the previous low very slightly, but we did. And so far we are following this trajectory. So what can we expect for Bitcoin here in the immediate short term? Well, we are in phase C. In phase C we can expect some chopping around, so whether up, down, but some zigzag accumulation slightly towards the upside here. Before in phase D we are eventually breaking out towards the upside. This is what we are expecting here. But guys, very, very important. Let's go over to wait, where's the main chart? Here it is. Here you can see we have this symmetrical triangle pattern, right? And the funny thing about that was, remember how I said, if we break down, I am not shorting it. Let me repeat that. I said, if we break down, I am not shorting it, for the simple reason that I am smelling fake outs left and right. And this is a typical fake out, because usually the price target would be down at 24,000. However, we broke back into that pattern. And right now, faking out to the downside is bullish. Faking out to the upside is bearish. This fake out so far is bullish. What Bitcoin needs right now is holding this support line. This support line has to be held. We can wick below, but a 4-hourly close below would mean another breakdown. If we are holding this, you see it, the apex is here, the breakout is imminent, and the next few 4-hourly candles will determine whether we are going to break out towards the upside or towards the downside. And the next one is much less likely to be a fake out. Why? Well, let me tell you guys. Let me quickly go back to the phase mode. The next one is much more likely to be not a fake out. After having a fake out, the next fake out is less likely, and we are coming closer to the apex. The volume now, again in declining mode. We had a big spike here with that pump towards the upside, but the closer we are coming to the apex, the lower the volume. And if we had a fake out before, the next one is less likely to be a fake out. I am potentially going to trade it. And as you remember, guys, if you go down below the video and you want to trade it as well, I have 3,000 US dollars in free bonuses approximately. If you go down to the pinned comment, you click the Bybit link, step number 1, and then after clicking the Bybit link, you make your initial deposit and you get this bonus for free. You can trade with this free bonus and withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. All you have to do is you go down to, below into the pinned comment, you click the link, and after making an account takes like 10-15 seconds, you get the bonus after your initial deposit. So now let me know what you think, guys. Do you think we are going to break out or break down? I honestly think we have been crushing it here recently, and even though not trading wise, because I'm standing on the sidelines, I think it was just amazing seeing how we've been crushing it with this bearish pattern, our worst case scenario of 30,000 US dollars fulfilled, and so far we were able to predict here the micro movements for Bitcoin in the immediate short term with that accumulation pattern from Wyckoff. I really hope this is going to be the bullish one, guys. You know, the line in the sand is, of course, if we are breaking the previous low here, then the Wyckoff pattern is getting invalidated. If we are breaking, just a second, if we are breaking the previous low, then everything said is irrelevant. If we break this low, then guys, it can get very, very ugly for Bitcoin. I was waiting for these breaks below because this is what we need to clean out the market. But now if we break below, if we close a daily candle below the previous low, it's gonna get dangerous. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. I'm gonna take my flight very soon. Quick breakfast. I have a smoothie here and I have some coffee with coconut milk. And yeah, I truly appreciate you guys watching. I truly appreciate you joining me on that journey and making the MMCrypto family bigger and bigger. And this is truly what it's about in crypto. Bitcoin is decentralized, but we as a community, we can be centralized. Thank you so much for watching. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.